Good morning, students. Here I am going to teach the next lesson for the class 5th standard tropical rainforest. So far I have sent you all the video of the heat zones. Then you have written the question answers about the heat zones which I have sent you all. Today we are going to learn about the tropical rainforest. So as and when we see the whole world map, it is like this. This particular thing is the world map. So we are having the heat zones, as I have already told you all about the heat zones. Which are the heat zones? It is the torrid zone, then it is the temperate zone, then again it is the frigid zone. So from the equator, the distance from 0 degree to 23.5 degree north and south are called as torrid zone. Then from 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north and south is known as the temperate zone. Then 66.5 degree to the pole, north pole, and 66.5 degree to the south pole is called as the frigid zone. So this particular things we have understood about the heat zones. Now which are the places which are under the tropical rainforest, or maybe we'll be learning about other climatic regions. So in the beginning I would like to tell this tropical rainforest is very near the equator. So when I say very near the equator, how will be the climate? Yes, now you can see in summer season only we will be feeling very hot, but in winter season it will be very cool, and in the rainy season it will be raining. But here in this tropical rainforest, the area will be very hot because it is very close to the equator. That is, this particular tropical rainforest will be lying from 15 degree to 25 degree north and the south of the hemisphere, southern and northern hemisphere. So this particular areas, the places which are around this 15 to 25 degree, like it may be in the India, if at all we consider, it may be the Western Ghats, it may be the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, or it may be the Southeast Indian states. When we speak about the whole world, it is like south part of North America, Central Africa, Southeast Asia, then some parts of Australia. So when we say the tropical rainforest in our own country, you just imagine how will be Andaman and Nicobar. How are the eastern states of our country? Like it may be Arunachal Pradesh, it may be Mizoram, it may be Nagaland, or it may be the Western Ghats. Just imagine how they are. It is very thick forest, completely thick forest. So what about the sun rays that are receiving from the sun? Definitely it will be very scorching, but the trees which are grown here are also very thick. The trees are forming a canopy. Canopy means you will not receive more sun rays from the sun. So they are forming a canopy. You can just see this particular picture. They are forming the canopy. This is forming the canopy. There are several branches. They are having several branches, but not a single sun rays is reaching to the ground. So this particular areas, even if they are having thick forest, even if they are receiving the scorching sun rays of the sun, the temperature is very hot and humid here. Plants are very thick. Plants are completely green throughout the year. Why is it? Because as I have told you all last year, the evergreen forest, they'll be shedding their leaves, but not at a time. It is part by part. When they grow old, they will fall down. Again, the new leaves are being grown there. So this is the evergreen forest, characteristics of the evergreen forest. So such type of trees are seen in this part of tropical rainforest. When I am talking about the tropical rainforest. It may be the rosewood, it may be the mahogany, it may be the banana plantation, or some other trees will be seen here. As I have said, the area is very thick enough. When I say thick enough, then the forest is also very thick. When forest is thick, who will be staying there? It is all the type of the wild animals as well as the other living creatures are seen here. It may be the snakes, it may be the crocodiles, it may be the orangutans, it may be the chimpanzee, it may be the many number of birds, that is toucans, it may be, or it may be other birds too. So here are some of the pictures of the birds which are seen in the tropical rainforest. So even anacondas are seen in these places. So this tropical rainforest, you can just imagine, when I say it is thick enough, all the types of plants and animals can be seen here. Because of the thickness, daily afternoon between 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, we are having the 4 o'clock showers here with thunderstorms. They receive the rainfall every day with the thundering and with the lightning. These are called the 4 o'clock showers with thunderstorms and the lightning. The rainfall is very heavy here. Nearly 200 to 350 centimeters of annual rainfall is received in these places. And the temperature, when as I said, it is very humid. It is nearly 25 degree to 30 degree Celsius in this tropical rainforest. Now, as I said about the trees, tropical rainforest, we are having the trees like mahogany, cinchona, rubber, rosewood, banana, and etc. What about the people? What do you think? People are living there or people are not living in this place? People are definitely living in this place, but there is a limited quantity of the men living here. They are living in huts. They are the tribal people here. They are using the shifting cultivation. What is the shifting cultivation now? Shifting cultivation is nothing but to clear all the forest, burn it, then they'll be growing the crops there. When they remove the harvest or they cut the crop, again they will be burning that and moving to the next places. So this is called the shifting cultivation. And some of the tribal people, as I said, in our own country, we can see the people of Onch and of Shompan in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. When I say about the Africa, the people like pygmies are seen here. So these are the tribal people living in the rainforest areas. But now what is happening? Because of this, we are not having the trade, much of trade coming from these places. We are not earning much of economy to the country. So what people are doing? They are all go on coming out of this tropical rainforest and they are settling down in the outside area so that they can mix up with the people and they can earn some maybe the job, or maybe they can have a better life when they are coming outside, because we cannot go with the technology. We are not able to mingle with the people. They are there in groups. They can only enjoy in the groups. They don't know what is going outside. So today we can see that people are coming out from those places and searching for the jobs here and there. So this is something about the tropical rainforest, which is your third chapter. So my first question, as you have already understood about what is tropical rainforest. Now here I have told you about the climate. Climate is very hot and humid. I have told you about the temperature. It is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Then I have said you about the annual rainfall. It is nearly 200 to 350 centimeters of annual rainfall is received here. So from which region to which region the tropical rainforest is seen? It is from 15 degree to 25 degree north and the southern hemisphere. We can see this tropical rainforest. So after understanding this lesson, now I'll be asking few questions which you have to write it in one of your book exam. First one, what does the tropical rainforest mean? What does the tropical rainforest mean? My second question is, where does the tropical rainforest lie? Which are the parts of our country? Which are the parts of our country having tropical rainforest? Second question. My third question, why are the trees called evergreen forest? Why are the trees called evergreen forest? Fourth question, name some of the tribal people living in tropical rainforest. Fifth question, name some of the animals present in tropical rainforest. So, in my next class, I'll be giving the question answers based upon this tropical rainforest. See, when you are writing, first you have to write the meanings, then you have to write the question answers. See the content which I have sent to you all. Copy the fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following, whatever it is. I have already sent you the pictures. You can just copy and write the things in your Facebook neatly. Preserve the books. When the school reopens, we'll be checking it. So, bye for now. Take care.